Hi, happy Monday. I'm going to go over the math with you. So just a reminder, logging into Canvas, you start on your home page. You have some really cool announcements up here that you need to read. When you scroll down to the bottom, it's Monday, so you're going to click the link and it'll take you right to the page where you start. Now, when you click here, you're going to see the video that we're actually making right here. So your start page will look a little different. You're going to start here, click the next button after you finish each page. Keep working until you see the stop sign. So just a reminder, in math, your objective is in blue. So today you're going to learn how to graph equivalent ratios in the coordinate plane. So this information right here in black is for you to read. And then there's a quick video for you to watch that explains a little bit about how the coordinate plane works. After you've watched the video and read the information, then you click Next. So in vocabulary today, you have 4 words. You're going to make a word map for these words. The words are ordered pair, x-axis, y-axis, and graph. Just a reminder, you're going to write the word in the middle, the definition, and the way that you can find the definition is you can click the Math Dictionary link right here. Look up the word and then write the definition. You're going to give examples, and there are also examples found in the Math Dictionary. So if I click it, it's going to open it in a new tab, and I'm looking for ordered pair, so that's O, and here's an ordered pair. Here's the definition, 2 numbers written in a certain order. Here's examples, and back here it tells you, let me go back. It tells you to give an example. So your example doesn't have to be in words. Your example can be in pictures. And it tells you to write what it is in your own words and not examples. And you're going to make a map for 4 words. So you should have 4 maps. You're going to take a picture of the map and submit it to Canvas. So just a reminder, you're going to click Submit. You're going to upload your picture. If you're not able to upload a picture, you can also type it into the text box. When you're done, you click Submit, and then you go wait for the confetti, and you click Next. Then you have the learning section. So this is where you're learning about how to graph equivalent ratios in the coordinate plane. Last week we learned about what equivalent ratios are, and today you're going to learn how to graph them. So the blue is for people that have internet access, which is you. If you don't have internet access, you're going to do the pink. But since you're all watching this, you have internet access, so you're going to do the blue. You're going to watch these videos. There's 1, 2, 3 videos to watch. They're pretty short. And it's going to show you how to graph equivalent ratios in the coordinate plane. When you are finished, you click Next. And then you have your guided practice. So now it's your turn to practice what you've learned. So you have an IXL assignment. It's R11. You're going to click the link and open it. You should earn 90 points. And then if you're still stuck and you need help, you can watch the video. When you are finished and you have 90 points on IXL, then you click Next. So just a reminder, when you click this, it takes you to another window. It takes you right here to this assignment. You're going to do the assignment. It says at Meadow Valley Tree Farm, the farmers plant 4 maple trees for every 3 pine trees. Complete the table. So 4 to 3 is the ratio. So you have to plot 4 and 3. So maple trees is 4 and pine trees are 3. So there's your first point. Now I need to find out if I double the maple trees, then I would double maybe the pine tree. So if I put 6 here, to check that, 3 times 8 is 24, 4 times 6 is 24, so yes, that is equivalent. So now I'm going to graph 8 and 6. Maple is 8. So I go over 8, and I go up 6, and there's my next point. And then I'm going to continue. So I can make a proportion to find out what number goes here. So 6 times 12 is 72. So that means 8 times this should be 72. And that number that works is 9. So I go over 12 and up 9. There's my third point, and then I have 16, and just looking at this graph, I can kind of tell that it's going to be right there, because an equivalent, oh, not right there, it's going to be right there, and I need to get rid of that point. So to do that, let's see, I click it again and it disappears. My ratio, if they're equivalent ratios, they should form a straight line. They're linear, meaning they form that straight line. So my number here is 12. So after I've typed the numbers in the box, I click submit. And good job. When I have 90 points, see, I already have 20 points for my first question. When I have 90 points, I click next. Just a reminder on iExcel, you don't want to guess, because if you get it wrong, like if I were just to type any number because this one just feels too hard for me, and I click next, I'm going to lose some points. So I don't want to lose points. So I really want to do my best and try to get it right. But if I do get it wrong, the nice thing is it gives me the answers, and then it gives me a little explanation of what I did wrong. So I can read this and get help, and the next one then hopefully I can get right and earn some points back. So now that I'm on next, I have a discussion. It says it's locked, but when you go here, it's not going to be locked. So you're going to type your discussion into the text box and click submit. And then you have the stop sign. It says you are done. Click here to go back to the home page. So now I end up right back here. Okay? So that is how you do your math assignments for today.